Hi everyone, my name is Ava Marsh and I am a licensed cosmetologist, and today I'm going to be telling you all about my hair care routine. I'm going to tell you a little bit about my hair. I have naturally light brown hair and I get highlights done. I like to use products that have a lot of moisture. I also live in Nevada, which is a desert, so it's really dry here, so I make sure that my products have a lot of moisture in them. I also wear 2 rows of Bellamy hair extensions. They have them tied up right now. I wash my hair about twice a week. I like to do it usually Sundays and Wednesdays. Those are pretty good days for me. So I wash twice a week. I have blonde hair and I have extensions. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the products I use. So I've currently been using the Kevin Murphy Hydrate Me line, the Hydrate Me Wash and the Hydrate Me Rinse. I really like using these. I use them twice a week. I do shampoo twice a week. You know, you don't want to shampoo every day because that can really dry out your hair. So I recommend twice a week, and I use both the wash and the rinse. And then when I get out of the shower, I will spray the Kevin Murphy Untangled throughout my hair and then brush it out. This is just a really good leave-in conditioner, detangler. If you have tangled hair, I would definitely recommend getting this. It's also just a really good product for everyone. It's a leave-in conditioner. It's going to make your hair super smooth, soft, glossy, all those things. So it's just like a staple product to have in your hair care routine. These are my main things. These are just like my 3 go-to products: shampoo and conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner detangler. As far as styling goes, I like to use a heat protectant. Right now in my salon, I have the Penra thermal spray. This is really good heat protectant. I only really curl my hair at the salon because my curling irons are here. So Penra thermal spray is really good heat protectant. So when I use it's also good for colored hair, so it's not gonna it's gonna make sure that your color's staying in, especially when you're using those hot tools, because believe it or not, those hot tools, that heat, especially straighteners, that will strip out your toner in your hair, causing it to look more dull. After I curl my hair, I like to use the Kevin Murphy bedroom hair. This is just a, flexible texturizing hairspray. I like a lot of texture in my hair, so usually the beginning of the week, that's Sunday when I wash my hair, Monday, Tuesday, I really don't like to style it. I will just keep it like straight. I'll blow dry it. I always blow dry my hair. I do not sleep on my hair wet. I blow dry my hair straight and I wear my hair straight for that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or I'll do like a bun, ponytail, something like that. When that Wednesday rolls around, I will wash my hair again with my Kevin Murphy wash and rinse, put in my detangler, and then blow dry it again. And usually on that Wednesday or that Thursday is when I will curl my hair, and I will be using my texturizing hairspray. When you're using like a texturizing hairspray, texturizing powder, like I said, I like a lot of volume in my hair. That's gonna give your hair that grit, and that's that messy, kind of dirty feel in it. And that's why I only do it the Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Those going out days, those are the days I'm in the salon. I want my hair to look really good. The beginning of the week, I usually give my hair a break. Yeah, that's pretty much my hair care routine. All these products are available in my salon. If you're local, we can definitely get you these. They're also available on the Kevin Murphy website. I will leave the links down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave a comment on what video you'd like to see next. Give this video a like and please subscribe.